Hey, it's a beautiful afternoon. Doing an outdoor shot for a change. Don't do those very often. Yeah. We talk about what evolution is. Sometimes it's good to talk about what it's not. What evolution is not. Abiogenesis, that is the original formation of life through biochemistry, is not evolution. It's not evolution. It is an actual separate topic. Cosmology, the formation and history of the sun, moon, stars, galaxies, and indeed the whole universe, is not evolution. It is cosmology. It's a totally separate field, totally unrelated to evolution. There is no connection. Astronomy, the study of the properties of stars, the properties of planets. This is also not related to evolution. Neither is geology, the formation of continents and oceans, the movement of continents, the formation of landforms. This is not evolution. This is geology. And whether it is physical geology, geochemistry, geophysics, whatever, it is a separate field from evolution that is unrelated to evolution. Evolution is a purely biological process, and the study of evolution is covered under the science of biology. Seems simple. Biology, biological evolution. There you go. And within this category of biological evolution, that which happens after life is established, whereby life perpetuates itself and adapts to its environment genetically. This is what evolution is. That's it. And again, there is no magic involved, there is no mysticism, there is no religious requirement, nothing of the sort. It is purely biological. That's it, it's biology. So, we've established that evolution is a purely biological process. That's it. Biological process of life changing through imperfect genetic replication over generations, with these imperfections being filtered through environmental selection. That's it. That is it. That's all it is. That's all evolution is. And unfortunately, creationists will try to complicate this. They will try to make this more complicated by adding things to it, like, well, what about the sun and the moon? What about continents? What about the Grand Canyon? These things have nothing to do with evolution. They're not part of evolution. They're not part of evolutionary biology, and evolutionary biologists aren't talking about them. They're not studying them because they're not our field. They are not their field. Different sciences are studied as separate entities from one another. And while there is certainly some overlap, in many cases, for the most part, each science is separate and discrete, completely divorced from the others. And I realize that I have not gotten through, and I realize that creationists are not going to listen to a single thing that I've said. However, the fact remains, I've said it, it is stated, it's out there. And hopefully, somewhere in the world of creationist fantasy, somebody will grasp this, realize that their indoctrination has in fact been bogus, and they will recognize evolution for what it is, instead of trying to make it be what it is not. Thank you.